call. But today I'm playing Animal Company. I'm playing Animal Company with my friend. We're
You have
about
so many airport crabs!
Oh my god. Yeah, but we're playing I'm playing Animal Company with my friend, and we're about to beat the level. But
come on, you ready? Full send it or you get.
Okay, fine. You're a booger! You're a booger! You're a booger! Mommy, I want my mama. I want my mama. I want my mama.
We're here. We did it.
That was quick.
Was that bad?
Okay, it wasn't that bad. But it's gonna get worse. I know for a fact it's gonna get worse. Cause the Wrangler is gonna terrify me. The Wrangler is gonna the Wrangler is gonna be the thing that's having me shivering in my timbers.
Hold on, come with the flashlight. Give me a second.
Yes. Why does my thumb not go up? Is it going up? Okay, it is.
You just gotta fold your 2 fingers. The most goofy off thumbs up in the world.
Boing. What's up here?
This is where we're going. Level 2. Well, to the parkour. I gotta put my flashlight away, or I can't make the parkour in the next level. Ready?
Is this scaries?
Make sure you land the jump. Land the jump.
You go through tiny hole.
It's dead.
Boing.
You're going back down to parkour number 2.
Oh, this is another parkour? Oh my.
Now you're gonna use the flashlight again.
Okay, I'm gonna pull out my flashlight.
Yeah, pull out your flashlight. I need to put mine away. You can't parkour with this. It's a little hard.
I have good eyesight, it's just I'm still gonna use my flashlight. I use my right hand, so I'm putting my flashlight in my left.
I have good eyesight too, but I don't use the flashlight as a boost if you want to, or use your hand like I do. Long jump. Don't miss it.
Why is the boombox not there? I could have sworn it's always there.
Alright, get high, get some more higher before you jump.
Bro, just like this. Boom.
You're gonna get flashes for this one.
Oh god. Can you be the one holding the flashlight, cause the flashlight be messing up. Well, like when I'm running, the flashlight's like flinging me up.
That's why I didn't do it. Most of the time I didn't use it during parkour. Alright, the monster might be here. Check the radar. But we're just gonna send it, okay? Want to send it, or you want to take it slow?
I see the mimic. I see the mimic.
You want to send it? You want to send it, or want to take it slow?
Oh heck no!
Run.
Freak.
If we're gonna have the same idea. Alright, come on, let's go for Sunday. Cause we keep on waiting here, the more is gonna pile up. So you ready for Sunday? After this, we're gonna make it to the last level.
Shine your flashlight that way. I need to check if we're safe to go.
Check your radar.
Nope, danger!
What danger though?
They're mad close to us, bro.
Oh, it's still dangerous. I see our radar, but I don't.
Boogers.
Oh! Mimic.
Mimic where? Mimic. Mimic.
Over there.
Hola. ¿Cómo está?
Let's go.
Bien.
Send it.
Todo bien.
We don't send it, we're not gonna make it. And also, once we jump off the cliff, he can't follow us after that.
Why do your eyes look like that? Oh!
Oh.
Where? Hold on. Where did he go? Oh, he's right there. Bro, he's teleporting.
Ready to send it?
Wait, which way? Are we going that way or that way?
Right.
Just full split. Just straight ahead and then make it right?
Not this right. Straight ahead, next right. Next right we can take.
Hold on.
You see that bomb came out of? Well, that bomb came out of, we're going next.
There's a bomber.
I'm getting him mad, and then he'll already have to worry about him later. Alright, come on, we'll send it. We'll send it, or you like Diddy.
Okay. I'm gonna do it. We're gonna do it. Alright?
Uh-oh. Monster coming. Oh, Skinwalker.
With the boogers?
Skinwalker.
That guy isn't Skibbity. What the? Why is he fast?
They get faster when they're closer to you. Still there?
I don't wanna.
Shimmy, and they can jump high too. Keep that in mind. But the kids, they probably can't. They can jump high too. Look, they can jump from that floor all the way up here. It's probably up here your best bet, but you can't stay up there too long. Let's go with a plunger. I don't got any plungers on me. Got the grabs in the level too.
I can grab one. Oh, my controller! Ah!
Right, you ready? I'm going to send it. I don't care
He's
anymore.
near us.
I don't care.
Look,
We can dodge him.
Point your thing.
We can weave him. We can weave him.
Yeah, come on. I'm gonna juke you. Oh.
Just work past him and you can juke him. We juke him that way. Ready?
Flash your light.
My left one's getting weak. I got switch hands.
Somebody's calling
Someone's calling
me.
you.
Jeffrey's calling me.
Bomber.
Where? Oh my god. I can't answer it. Guys, don't mind my ringtone.
Just come up here and then you can answer it. Just come up here and you can answer it.
Alright, I'm gonna be right back, guys.
I'll watch you. No, my rocket! No!
Yes.
My rocket slipped. My rocket slipped in my backpack into the void.
Hold on.
That rocket is gone.
Yeah? Yeah.
Forgettable.
I'm playing with him. It's just hold on. Let's just beat this level real quick and then I'll share my screen.
Wait, share with him now so then he can help us. I know what I'm doing, it's just you might need him for encouragement. Because you're clear too big to go. Sorry, no offense.
What is that?
50%.
Is that the
I'm looking. I don't care whether you come with me or you don't. If you don't, you get left behind.
I'll go with you.
Just run. Just run. Don't mind what they
No,
say.
no, no! No, no, no!
Alright, we're good.
Okay, we made it.
Let's
Let's go.
They hear folks down here. Your backpack is gonna be useful to you when you get down there.
Wait for me. I'm coming down. I hit a pipe. Bonk. Ow. Okay, I'm here. Where are you? Let me grab one of these.
Get the big packs.
Got it.
They said that worth like 100,000, 2,000.
So what do we do? What do we do with our these?
Throw them away. Don't even know more. Discard them.
Ka-chow. Why does that not go on? Ka-chow.
Cause it's not from here. I'm gonna get the second backpack. I'm gonna carry all three of the backpack.
Okay, hold
all
on.
three of the big backpacks. It's hard, but it's possible.
It won't let me cat. Cause I'm recording a video for YouTube.
You can stop the recording. I'll see the recording and send it to you. I'm gonna continue with under recording right now. Alright, stop recording and cast it.
Cause I'm recording a video for YouTube.
Stop recording and cast. I'm recording.
Kane, where are you? Oh, there you are.
I'm your back recorder. I'm recording for you right now. You can cast. I'm your backup recorder and I'm recording for you. You can cast. Also, make sure you